Chan, MasterChef winner of last year, is cooking me a delicious dish from your childhood.
Absolutely. So this is something my mom used to cook me, and you just have it with rice. It's really simple, vegan, gluten-free, super easy. I think perfect for midweek dinner.
And it doesn't have too many ingredients, which is always very appealing for everyone at home. And tofu. Now, what type of tofu is this?
So this is silken tofu. So I'm gonna put this into a steamer basket. And we're just gonna steam it for probably around 10 to 12 minutes. Could you slice those shallots for me really thinly?
It's just nice thin slices.
Beautiful. Yeah, so I've placed it into the steamer basket. I'm gonna heat this pan up. I'm gonna put some oil, and when you're ready with that, Jazz, could you pass me the shallots? I'll chuck it into the pan.
Fabulous. Now, Di, you've just opened a pop-up restaurant in Melbourne, a Malaysian street food style restaurant. Sounds so exciting. Tell me, what's the difference between home style cooking in Malaysia to street food in Malaysia?
Oh, look, I think it's, street food's all about like getting in with your hands, eating meat off the skewers.
A lot of barbecue stuff?
A lot of barbecue stuff. Also a lot of wok frying. Just like sit by the street and it's like hustling and bustling. And
I guess it's the obvious, it's the fast food.
Absolutely. All right, Jazz, so now I've got the onions. So whilst this is sauteing, I'll get you to thinly slice that on an angle for me, the spring onions. I'm going to add a bit of caster sugar into this onions. They're just going to stick together and think,
Caramelised
sticky,
onions? Yum.
sticky dark soy onions. And I've got here some dark and light soy.
Okay.
So I'm just going to put in about a tablespoon.
Okay. So the dark soy goes in, and is it even amounts of dark soy to light soy?
Yeah, I'd go probably a tablespoon and a half of soy.
Great.
Yeah, just because there's a lot of sugar in there.
Yeah. Oh, I just want to eat that straight away. It's all glossy, caramelised onions, just my favourite. All right, Di, well, we'll just wait for that to thicken up. Another 5 minutes.
Yep.
And then I guess the dish just comes together, just like that.
Put it all together.
Sounds good.
All right, Jazz, this is ready. Shall we have a look?
Yes. Beautiful.
Nice and wobbly.
So good.
It's been about 12 minutes. All right, let's just remove this.
So does the texture change much at all after cooking for 10 minutes, or it's more just heating it through?
It's heating. You can actually have it raw because it's actually cooked through. It's, it's soy milk that's already been cooked. But it really depends. Some people have it cold, but I prefer it warm.
Yeah, for this particular dish, it sort of gives that mouthfeel by warming it up.
Absolutely.
Nice,
I think the texture just gets a bit more silkier when it's warmer. Okay, so I'm just going to remove that and love the bowl that you've chosen.
There we go. Gorgeous. And you leave some of that water in there, that's okay?
Yep, the water's absolutely fine. And I'm going to put this beautiful caramelised onions or shallots.
A little bit of the oil too.
A little bit of the oil. The oil's the best part.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yep.
That shallot oil. All right, so we're going to put the spring onions on top.
Spring onions and the coriander?
And the coriander.
Okay.
That's it.
That looks
silken tofu.
Sensational. Tofu jazzed up, hey? Even if you don't like tofu, this could be a game changer. Di's tofu. Sort of those sweet, sticky, caramelised shallots and that silky, smooth tofu. Yummy. I love that. No wonder why that's one of your favourite dishes from your childhood.
Light, easy, simple to prepare, all under 20 minutes.
Done and dusted.